Hello friends, in this video I will explain you about MIG welding. The standard name for MIG welding is GMAW, that is gas metal arc welding. So in MIG welding a gas is used, that is a shielding gas is used, and that shielding gas is used to protect the molten weld pool from oxidation from environment. So there are two types of shielding gas. See, you can see the shielding gas in the video. There are two types of shielding gas. One is inert gases like argon and helium are used, and the second one is active gas like CaO2, carbon dioxide is used. So when an inert gas is used, the GMAW is known as MIG welding. The full form of MIG is metal inert gas. So when inert gases are used, it is called as MIG welding or metal inert gas welding. And when an active gas is used like CO2, then that welding is called as MAG welding, that is metal active gas welding, MAG welding. MAG welding when CO2 will be used as a shielding gas. So now I'll show you the machine. This is the power source. Main equipment is the power source, and in power source you can see various displays, and there are two terminals. One is positive terminal and second one is negative terminal. The positive terminal is connected with the electrode gun or filler metal gun through which the filler metal passes, and the negative terminal is connected with the job or your workpiece. So positive terminal will be connected with the electrode gun and negative terminal will be connected with the workpiece. This configuration is called as DCEP, direct current electrode positive. In the center you can see the cable. This cable is to connect the wire feeding mechanism. See, here you can see the wire feeding mechanism or filler wire feeding mechanism. You can see the filler wire spool which is rotating, and this rotates and the filler wire comes out through the cable and it goes to the electrode gun. Now you can see the feeding mechanism from the front side. Some knobs are given to regulate the wire feeding speed. The feeding speed should not be too more or it should not be too less. An ideal feeding speed is required to maintain proper quality of welding. So friends, so far I have shown you the wire feeding mechanism, the shielding gas and the power source. Now I'll show you the welding gun. This gun is used for the welding. See, the gun is in the hand of welders, and through this gun the wire feeding spool or wire feeding the filler wire comes out, and when the filler wire strikes the workpiece, the arc is generated, and that arc is sufficient enough to give sufficient heat for the welding. So this is how welding takes place. The filler metal strikes the job and the arc is generated and the welding takes place. So now friends, I'll show you MIG welding practically. See, here we have a test coupon, and this is basically T joint, fillet joint, and this is in T shape. So we can say it is a fillet joint in T shape, and I'll ask my welder to do the welding of this joint. So friends, our welder has started the welding, and I'm shooting this video from the back side. Just to show you how the filler wire spool rotates and how filler wire travels from the cable and goes to the electrode gun. I'll go from the front also, but just to show you the movement of the filler wire, I'm shooting this picture from the back side. Now I'll go to the front side and I'll show how the welding is taking place. So friends, we cannot go very close to the welding because the camera might damage, so I'm trying to show you as near as possible. Now friends, try to observe the movement of the electrode gun and the movement of the hands of the welders. So this is how the welding takes place. Hopefully you are observing the movements of the hand and the gun. The welding is complete, and you can see the finally welded test coupon. Here you can see the spatters. Spatters are absolutely unwanted and it should be minimized. So these spatters should be minimized. Apart from spatters, we can see the shining bead of the welding. So this is how MIG welding appears after welding. Friends, I would request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.